Welcome back to the Zeb Analyst. I'm Zeb, and today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for so many of us: escaping the 9-to-5 grind. If you're tired of the rat race, stuck in endless meetings, and dreaming of financial freedom, crypto might just be your ticket out. Now I know what you might be thinking: crypto, isn't that risky? Trust me, I get it. But here's the thing, crypto isn't just about buying Bitcoin and hoping for the best. It's about taking control of your financial future and building wealth on your own terms. So buckle up, because in this video, we're gonna break down exactly how crypto can set you free from the 9-to-5 trap. Let's face it, the 9-to-5 life wasn't designed for freedom. It's a system that trades your time for money, leaving little room for growth or creativity. Think about it. You work 40 hours a week, sometimes more, but your paycheck barely keeps up with the rising cost of living. Inflation eats away at your hard-earned cash faster than you can say cryptocurrency. Promotions? They usually come with more responsibilities and longer hours, not necessarily more freedom. And retirement? For many, it feels like a distant dream we might not even reach. Look, I'm not here to bash anyone who works a 9-to-5. It's honest work, and it puts food on the table for millions of people. But deep down, I know a lot of you crave something more. You want the freedom to choose how you spend your time, to pursue your passions, to travel, to spend more time with loved ones. But the traditional system makes it tough. It keeps you stuck in this endless cycle of working for someone else's dream. And that's where crypto comes in. Crypto offers a unique opportunity to break free from this cycle. It's about building wealth and creating passive income streams, on your own terms. Crypto isn't just another investment, it's a revolution. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about money, finance, and even the internet itself. Now I know some people are still skeptical, and that's okay. But here's why crypto stands out from the crowd and why it has the potential to change everything. First up, decentralization. In the traditional financial system, you've got banks, governments, and institutions calling the shots. They control your money, they set the rules, and they can even take your money away in some cases. But with crypto, there's no middleman, no gatekeeper. You are in control of your own money. Second, crypto markets never sleep. Unlike the stock market, which is only open for a few hours a day, crypto trades 24/7, 365. This means more opportunities to grow your wealth, to buy and sell whenever you want. Third, passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or even while you're watching this video. From staking your crypto to yield farming and liquidity providing, there are countless ways to put your crypto to work for you and generate a passive income stream. Some platforms offer ridiculously high annual percentage yields. I'm talking 10 to 20% or even more. And finally, crypto has incredibly low barriers to entry. You don't need to be a Wall Street hotshot or have a ton of money to start investing in crypto. All you need is an internet connection, a little bit of curiosity, and a willingness to learn. And that's where I come in. Chapter 3. How crypto can replace your 9-to-5 income. Alright, enough theory, let's get practical. Here's how you can actually use crypto to replace or even exceed your 9-to-5 income. Number 1. Long-term investing, also known as hodling. This strategy is all about buying and holding assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum for the long haul. Think of it like digital gold. Historically, these assets have outperformed most traditional investments, and many experts believe they will continue to grow in value over time. Now, it's important to remember that all investments come with risk. But by investing in solid projects with strong fundamentals, you can potentially set yourself up for massive gains in the future. Number 2, staking and yield farming. Staking involves holding your crypto in a specific wallet or platform to support the security and operations of a blockchain network. In return for doing so, you earn rewards, kind of like interest on a savings account, but way better. Yield farming is a bit more complex, but it essentially involves lending out your crypto to earn interest and fees. It can be more lucrative than staking, but it also comes with higher risks. Do your research, start small, and gradually learn the ropes. Number 3, trading. Now, trading crypto can be incredibly lucrative, but it's not for the faint of heart. It requires knowledge, skill, discipline, and a high risk tolerance. If you're thinking about getting into trading, make sure you educate yourself thoroughly, start with a demo account, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Number 4, NFTs and gaming. The world of NFTs and play-to-earn gaming is exploding right now, and it's creating incredible opportunities for people to earn crypto while doing what they love. Whether you're an artist, a gamer, a collector, or just curious about this space, there are countless ways to get involved and potentially generate a significant income. And finally, number 5, building in Web3. If you've got skills, coding, marketing, design, writing, community management, you can leverage those skills in the Web3 space and get paid in crypto. Decentralized projects are always looking for talented individuals to join their teams, and many of them offer competitive salaries and benefits, all paid in crypto. Chapter 4. Real-life success stories. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Zeb, this all sounds great, but is anyone actually making money from this stuff? You bet they are. And to prove it, I want to share some real-life success stories of people just like you who escaped the 9-to-5 using crypto. These are everyday people, not financial gurus, who took a chance, put in the work, and are now living their best lives. Meet Anna, a graphic designer who was tired of the low pay and lack of creative freedom in her corporate job. She stumbled upon NFTs, started creating her own digital art, and began selling it online. Fast forward to today, she's a successful NFT artist who earns 6 figures annually, all from selling her art directly to collectors around the world. She sets her own hours, works from wherever she wants, and is finally living her dream. Then there's Mike, a former accountant who was burnt out from the corporate grind. He discovered the world of staking and DeFi farming and saw an opportunity to take control of his own finances. He started small, learned everything he could, and gradually built up his crypto portfolio. Now, he's replaced his 9-to-5 income entirely through staking rewards and DeFi yields, giving him the freedom to travel the world, pursue his passions, and live life on his own terms. And let's not forget about Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who was looking for ways to contribute to her family's income while raising her children. She discovered the world of play-to-earn gaming and was blown away by the potential. She started playing Axie Infinity, a popular blockchain-based game, and quickly realized she could earn a decent income by battling monsters and breeding cute little creatures. Chapter 5. Steps to get started today. So, are you ready to take the leap and start your own crypto journey? I know it can seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Here are some simple steps you can take today to get started. Step 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of crypto. There are tons of free resources available online, articles, videos, podcasts, courses that can teach you the basics of blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and how to invest safely and responsibly. Follow trusted sources like this channel, of course, and don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Step 2. Start small. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars right out of the gate. In fact, I recommend starting with an amount you're comfortable losing. Remember, this is a long-term game, and it's better to start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your investment over time. Step 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Just like with traditional investing, it's important to diversify your crypto portfolio across different assets, sectors, and risk levels. This will help mitigate your risk and increase your chances of success. Step 4. Stay consistent. Dollar cost averaging is your friend in volatile markets. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market price. This helps to average out your cost basis and reduce the impact of market fluctuations. Take control of your future. Crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a tool for financial freedom. With the right mindset and strategy, you can escape the 9-to-5 trap and live life on your own terms. You can design your ideal lifestyle, spend more time doing the things you love, and achieve true financial independence. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button